From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A beautiful start to our morning. Here are temperatures set at 68 degrees as we look over Beaver Stadium with not a cloud in sight. Dew point here sitting at 36 degrees, which is give us this dry feel for this morning. But it's a bit breezy outside as we look at the winds heading out in the northwest at 9 miles an hour. Weather headlines for today: we tied a high temperature record yesterday of 75 degrees. Warmer temperatures continued throughout the end of the week, and just less than 24 hours ago, subtropical storm Nicole formed yesterday in the Atlantic. Now, radar and satellite right now, it's pretty quiet among most of the state, as the northern portions of the state may receive a few brief rain showers, but it's not likely at this time. As I mentioned before, we received a high temperature record of 75 degrees today, and now it's a bit cooler. As you can see, a 5-degree temperature change, 5 degrees cooler in State College, 10 degrees cooler in Johnstown, and 9 degrees here in Du Bois, as the eastern portions of the state received a slightly higher temperature change at 4 degrees higher in Allentown and Philadelphia. Now for our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, subtropical storm looks to move. The subtropical storm I talked about earlier looks to move into the area, as well as a cold front that sweeps throughout from the western parts to the eastern portions of the state, giving us this cooler feel. Future weather for right now, clouds begin to increase overnight, heading into Tuesday, giving us, bringing back these clear and windy conditions heading into Tuesday afternoon. Now, looking at subtropical storm Nicole, it looks to take up a pretty big surface area, as most of its convection is behind the front here. The track looks to, as of right now, it's still in the middle of the Atlantic, looking to intrude the U.S. as of right now, but it still has a lot of time to form and develop, as these warm waters give it energy to warm and develop and gain energy. Looking at Tuesday afternoon, it looks to curve. Heading directly into the eastern coastlines of Florida, and making landfall here on Wednesday afternoon, heading into Thursday morning, as it dissipates back into Thursday morning. Hurricane watches are in effect as of right now for most of the eastern coastline portions of the state of Florida, with at the ends of the extreme southern parts of Florida here in Miami, and the extreme northern parts of Florida coastlines receiving tropical storm watches, as this storm looks to intrude the area. Looking into today in State College, temperatures as high as 67 degrees here, with above average temperatures, as winds continue to be breezy throughout the rest of the day. Heading into tonight, clouds begin to increase for a brief period, as winds are still giving us this breezy feeling, and a low of 36 degrees. Heading into tomorrow, a high of 54 degrees, which is a bit cooler, with partly cloudy skies, as clouds continue to linger in the area but begin to dissipate as we go throughout the day, with these breezy conditions continue throughout the day. For our 7 to 10 day outlook, it looks pretty calm and clear for the first part of our week. Heading into Thursday and Friday, the remnants of subtropical storm Nicole look to move into the area, giving us a rainy day for most of the Friday. Heading into Saturday, these rain showers may linger. Heading into Sunday, and after this front moves through, Sunday giving us a big, our temperatures will begin to fall, heading into Sunday into the rest of our into our next work week. My name is CJ Cartledge, and I hope you guys have a good day today.